What's up, y'all? I'm Big Worm. 615bikelife. Big Worm got y'all. We gonna do it this up Sunday the 18th. I got a lot of meat. We're gonna eat good. We're gonna ride, okay? Everybody be safe. Say a prayer. This is what I got. Look at that, y'all. We're gonna eat good. We got over 200 pounds of some meat probably right here. You know, we got burgers, dogs, we got everything. This is all the chips, you know, the side stuff. You know, I'm in my crib. This is my crib. Big Worm's crib. Oh yeah. This is my crib, y'all. I'm Big Worm. There go my family. Hey Kayla. Hey Kiara. Hey baby, that's my wife right there. Crystal. Yeah, I'll take y'all a little tour of my house, man. You know. This is Big Worm room right here. This is where it happened at. I got my racing clothes and stuff out. But I'm getting ready for Sunday. Pray that I make it. You know how things go. You can be here one day and go on the next. And just video of my house. You know what I'm saying? Hey, Big Worm. What's up, bro? It's just a video of my house. Yeah. This is where it happened at. This is the kitchen. You know. But this is where it's at. 615 bikelife. Big Worm coming. This is what it is right here, y'all. You know, I got the tulips growing. But I'm out of here. I'll see y'all Sunday. Y'all get ready. Atlanta, Chattanooga, Florida, Chicago. We gonna kick it. Big Worm cooking for all y'all. Miami, throw it up. Yeah. This is where I entertain at, y'all. It's my living room. Big Worm, baby. Yeah. Yeah. That's what I'm talking about. Big Worm got this. You know, they don't call me big for nothing. Look at all that big food. That's what I'm talking about. I'm out of here. I'm Big Worm. Y'all in my prayers. We're going to make everything work. Amen. See y'all. Peace, brother.